first mirror. Therefore, image is formed here. So, this is how these images are formed. So, 1, 2, 3, 3 images which are formed because of the object placed in between two mirrors which are inclined at 90 degree. And these 4 including the object and 3 images will be at the corners of a square, and also we can construct a circle, circumcircle with the center at the joint of the mirrors. With the joint of the mirrors as center, draw a circle. These 4 images, for that matter, irrespective of angle between the mirrors, whatever the number of images which are going to be formed, always they lie on a circle where the center of the circle is coincide with the joint of the mirrors. This is the case of 90 degree. Now we will take up another example where angle between the mirrors is 60 degree. For theta is 60 degree. As for formula, 360 degree by 60 degree is equal to 6, even here also. Therefore, number of images should be 6 minus 1, 5. Now we will locate those images. Consider 2 mirrors which are inclined at 60 degree angle. Let us assume that these 2 mirrors are M1 and M2, making an angle 60 degree with each other. This is M2. Now let us consider an object be placed on the angle bisector. So now first image is going to be formed. Object is here in the first mirror, which is equal to perpendicular distance from the object from the mirror to the image from the mirror. So first image is formed here. Call it as I1. Similarly, first image is formed in the second mirror. So perpendicular distance from the second mirror. This distance is equal to this distance, and another image is formed here. This is second image. Similarly, the first image in the first mirror becomes object for the second mirror. So therefore, when extrapolated, this will be, as this distance is the object distance for the second mirror, image will be formed at the same distance, that is I21. Similarly, the first image in the second mirror becomes object for the first mirror. So this perpendicular distance from the mirror, this distance is equal to this distance. Somewhere here, image is going to be formed. This is I12, first mirror, second image. Similarly, this image in this becomes object for the second mirror, and image will be formed image is going to be formed here. That becomes object for the this mirror. So image is going to be formed here. So like that, this is common image. Image of this in this mirror extrapolated. Image of this in this mirror extrapolated. So where this image will be common image for both the mirrors finally. Now when you connect them together, the 5 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images, and the object will be at the corners of a regular hexagon, so that altogether there are 6 with the objective, therefore there are 5 images. And also we can imagine they will be on the circumference of a circle, which is circumcircle, with center at the joint of the mirrors. Therefore, there are 6 images formed. Now, careful observation of these images, we will observe that angular positions of the object when we consider 30 degree and 30 degree position. That is, angular position of the object from the first mirror is 30 degree. Therefore, first image from the first mirror will be at an angular position from it. So, first image from the mirror M1 is at 30 degree, and first image from the second mirror corresponding to this object is here. This is also 30 degree. Therefore, from the second mirror, first image is 30 degree. So, we will write angular position of the images. We make it tabular form. Angular position of image from mirror M1. Similarly, angular position of image from mirror to M2. So, first we may consider here. Now, first image at an angular position 30 degree from here, because object is at 30 degree from the mirror. Write 30 degree here. And angular position from the second mirror also is 30 degree, because object is making an angle 30 degree. Write 30 degree here. That is, this corresponds to first image here, first image here. There are already 2 images. Now, first image in the first mirror becomes object for the second mirror. From the second mirror, angular position is 30, 60 degree is the angle between the mirrors, plus this angle 30 degree becomes 90 degree here. So, therefore, from this you have to add up 60 degree, because this is angular position at what angular position? 30 plus angle between the mirrors. Angle between the mirrors is 60 degree. Therefore, the next position image formed in the second mirror is going to be at 60 degree, 90 degree position. Similarly, second mirror in the second image in the first mirror at 90 degree here. These are the next images. Then those become objective for the other mirrors. Therefore, we will continue here, add up 60 degree for this, and becomes 150 degree here and 150 degree here. Next comes out to be, if we have to add, then it becomes 210 degree. What we should do, we cannot get images if the value, the summation is going to be 180 degree or more than that. Therefore, it is coming out to be more than 180 degree, or therefore we cannot continue. Therefore, images will be stopped here. Now, similarly, will there be any common image among them? Common image among them for verification, if we add up these 2 angles plus this, that is one final angles, 150 degree plus 150 degree plus angle between the mirrors is 60 degree. If it comes out to be 360 degree, then there is going to be common image. Final image is common, means from the first mirror at 150 degree, from the second mirror at 150 degree, an image is formed which happens to be common image. That is here. This is the image. When we observe, this position of the image is 150 degree from the second mirror and also 150 degree from the first mirror. Since these 2 images are coinciding, we have to count them as one image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 5 images. We are able to locate them here, and also we are able to make out the angular position of these 5 images by the tabular form. So, this is the procedure.
ఇది ఇవాల్టి ఫిజిక్స్ క్లాస్. ఈనాటి ఎపిసోడ్లో జామెట్రికల్ ఆప్టిక్స్ చాప్టర్ నుంచి రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఆన్ ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. రేపటి ఎపిసోడ్లో ఇదే టాపిక్కు సంబంధించిన మరిన్ని అంశాలను తెలుసుకుందాం. టిల్ దెన్ కీప్ వాచింగ్ KAB టెలివిజన్.